In this video, I will show you how to remove bank account from Prizepicks. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I've got an article on screen and this is from the official Prizepicks website. So if you want to find out more information about this, you can come across to this article, which is just prizepicks.com/help-center/deposits. Now on this screen, if you actually scroll down towards the bottom, and towards the bottom you can see this small section here which says how do I remove or replace payment methods associated with my Prizepicks account. So it says you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. All you need to do is log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right hand corner. Once you are on the deposits page, you should see a trash can icon. All you need to do is simply click the trash can icon to remove a payment method. Now, if you are on that screen and you don't see the trash can icon, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. Just a note, you can only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. So as mentioned earlier, if you do want to find out some more information, just come across this website and that's going to give you some more information. However, that is how to remove bank accounts from Prizepicks. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.